Welcome to Planet Jack. This is Mickey West. He's an independent film director, and he's always looking for creative people to collaborate with on his next projects. So in his office, he has stacks of resumes and portfolios from talented individuals. But he doesn't have the time to look through all of them because he's always on the go. Whenever a resume catches his eye, he always goes through the same process. There's usually a link to an online portfolio, so he has to open up his browser and look at the artist's work before deciding whether or not to send them an email to get in touch. Mickey goes to South by Southwest, which is a film festival with a lot of creative people. He decides he'll go there to find other professionals to collaborate with on his next projects. While he's there, he hears about Planet Jack. Wait a minute, he thinks. What is Planet Jack? He hears, Planet Jack creates visual profiles for young, talented professionals. Well, Mickey decides to give it a try. In his profile page, he opens up his settings to set a location search. He sets the radius very tight so that he can find the people who are just at the South by Southwest conference. While he's scrolling through the portfolios, the profiles, one catches his eye. He adds that person as a friend and they add him back. Now, Mickey has total access to this artist's portfolio and information, including personal and basic information. With a swipe of his finger, Mickey can go through that artist's portfolio. By tapping on any picture, he can open up larger image sizes and zoom in and zoom out to get a better and clearer picture of what that artist does. By clicking at the bottom of the screen, he has access to brief resume information with logos from that artist's companies as well as schools. By swiping his finger, he can look at the artist's current project and future goals and role models. In the upper right-hand corner is the talent bank. In there, different artists can comment and add references and referrals based on different keywords that the user puts in. Mickey decides to add a reference himself. And finally, he decides to get in touch with the artist via email. Mickey has such a great experience using it at South by Southwest that he decides to use Planet Jack for other artists such as actors and set designers. Mickey realizes the potential of Planet Jack, and so do we. We are building the #1 platform for any talented individual in a visual field, from fashion designers to performance artists to video producers, illustrators, set designers, etc. We're going to build the #1 platform that will be better than anything currently on the market for any talented creative professional. We are going to build the best service that links both recruiters and gives them what they need and gives talent the ability to show exactly what they do in a very fast, professional, and efficient manner. That's why we are targeting over 4,000 schools to get students to create profiles on Planet Jack, and they are doing so right now as we speak. In the future, we're going to start charging businesses a fee to contact the individuals who create profiles on Planet Jack. And we're also going to charge people who make profiles if they want to use our premium services, such as make customized profile pages and contact people outside of their network. We are basing our growth projections in the same way that LinkedIn has grown over the past 5 years. We have a very talented team of designers, recruiters, developers, and marketers working on this day in and day out. By the end of this year, we will have launched our full iOS and Android platforms as well as tablet, and we'll have created our enterprise payment systems and professional management tools. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation. We hope you enjoyed Planet Jack.